Hello friend, myself Skandar Kumar. I am taking electrical machine design for the electrical engineering students of 7th semester. As per the continuation of the previous lecture, now will continue about the special types of machines which will be associated with the electrical machine over here. And now we will discuss about the intermittent duty with starting and the breaking nature of the machine. This is the intermittent periodic duty where heat losses during starting and breaking cannot be ignored. Thus, it consists of a period of starting, a period of operation with a constant load, a breaking period with electrical breaking, and a rest period with operating and rest periods being too short for the respective steady state temperatures to be attained. So where duty cycle of this type of machine is S plus N plus B and dividing by the S plus N plus B plus R, where AS will be the starting period and it is the operating period, B is the breaking region, and R stands for the rest period of the machine. S indicates starting period, N indicates the duration of operation, B indicates the period of braking, R indicates the period of rest. So there will be some example of this type of machine is the suburban electric trains or direct mill drive. And the figure will be indicated over here. There will be the two types of, it can be a DC series motor, it can be a synchronous motor. Right? The local trains of the Mumbai also utilize this type of intermittent type of machine. Next will the continuous duty with intermittent periodic loading. It consists of periodic duty cycles, each consisting of a period of running at a constant load and a period of running at no load with normal voltage across the excitation window windings. Again, the load period and no load period being too short for the respective temperatures to be attained. In this duty is distinguished from the intermittent periodic duty by the fact that a period of running at a constant load is followed by a period of running at no load instead of rest period. So the diagram it will be indicated that there is a and duration of the operation and we indicate the operation on no load condition. So the entire duty cycle of this type of machine will be the n upon n plus v, where n indicates the duration of the operation and v indicates the operation on no load condition. And what such type of motor which we are using over here, their examples are first is the pressing machine, cutting machine, shearing machine, and the drilling machine drives. So we are showing about the different types of machines over here. This one will be the drilling machine. This one will be the pressing machine or the cutting machine you can use over here. And the another one is the shearing machine. Continuous duty means starting and breaking type of machine. It consists of periodic duty cycle, each having a period of starting, a period of running at a constant load, and a period of intermittent electrical breaking. There is no period of rest. The duty cycle for this class is 1 because the duty cycle is equal to S plus N plus B upon S plus N plus B. So the ratio of this one equal to 1. So where N indicates the starting period, N indicates the duration of operation and B indicates the period of breaking. So the characteristics will be showing under the curve that how the load and the temperature and the time will be varied as the temperature will changes or the operation of the machine is moving on. Actually, the examples of this one is the blooming mill. Where over here we are indicating about the motor room which houses the motor that drops the heavy mill bloom rolls. So on the right and left hand side we are finding that there is a bloom roll is there, and over the right hand side there we are finding all the blooming machines. So there is a motor which will be connected over here to make the operation of the hot the ice will be moving from the oven towards the towards the side where we have to just place all these parameters. This is another diagram of the blooming mills. Next is the continuous duty with periodic changes in speed. This class indicates a sequence identical duty cycle, each having a period of running at one load and speed, and another period of running at different speed and load. Again, the arguing for operating periods are too short for respective steady state temperatures to be attained. Further, there is no period of rest for this type of machine. So there is a S N N1, V1, N2, V2, S, then N3. So there is no period will be for the rest. N1, N2, N3 indicates operation at different motor speed. V1, V2 is the duration of electric braking. S is the duration of starting. How much time you are required to just to start the machine. Next will be the duty cycle equal to S plus N1 upon X or V1 plus V2. V1 plus N2 times X upon X or V2 plus N3 divided by X, where X is the S plus N1 plus N2 plus N2 plus V2 plus N3. So the operation will be indicated for the different types of machines which are associated under the category of the special types of machines are there. So this will be the end of the intermittent type of machines of the or under the electrical machine design. Thank you.